We talked about our first entrepreneurial endeavor, the world's first tree-proof garden hose. Realized that there is an opportunity there for entrepreneurs, young entrepreneurs who just didn't understand the law and couldn't pay hefty legal bills. And so I had intended to lean into small business quite a bit. And so as we got closer to my retirement from the Army and my insertion into the firm to practice some area of law, we took a real hard look at what that was. I think the entire time focused on business development and what I could do from a business support perspective, and took a handful of small business clients, but that's how the first, I would
It was
say,
about 5 or 6 years, right?
first 5 or 6 years of the.
And then at that time, I was practicing mainly family law and civil litigation, and I was burnt out. It was no joke. It was exhausting, mentally exhausting. The attorneys that I was working with on the other side of the case were so adversarial all the time, just seemed like they hated life, especially the older attorneys. And I was thinking, I don't think I can do this my entire career. And I don't think I was fun to be around at home because I would bring it home.
Right.
And it was bad. And so Byron and I talked and said, we have to do something else.
So that leads us into our second big decision professionally and as a family, what we were going to do, but really took the opportunity to reorient our practice area, reorient the billing practices, and reorient towards a new practice area of law where it was a positive experience. Instead of working with people that were in probably the hardest time of their lives, dealing with their own custody issues and seeing the emotional toll that it took on Katie, we decided to pump the brakes and take a real hard look at our organization, what we wanted to do and who we wanted to deal with. And so instead of dealing with very difficult clients in a very difficult time, we consciously decided to work with entrepreneurs because they're like-minded, they're optimistic, and generally speaking, if we could provide a legal service at a reasonable price point, we could help these smaller businesses grow. And it's something that we decided we wanted to be a part of.